Hey everyone, welcome back to Ready Talk, your friendly place to practice simple English with fun conversations. And oh, Sora is finally here.
Finally, Alex, I'm 2 minutes early.
Yes, but I was 3 minutes early, which means I waited 1 full minute in the cold. That's real suffering.
A whole minute? Oh no, how terrible. Anyway, hi listeners, I'm Sora, and welcome again to Ready Talk, where we talk about everyday topics using easy, natural English.
Today's topic is something everyone knows, everyone talks about, and everyone complains about. The weather today.
Yes, weather is one of the easiest topics for English beginners. And also, today's weather is kind of strange.
Strange, moody, confused, like me during exam week.
Okay, let's start. So, Alex, how would you describe the weather today?
I'd say it's cold, but not too cold. Like the weather is trying to scare us, but doesn't want to try too hard.
True, it feels cool and windy. When I walked here, the wind pushed my hair everywhere.
I saw that. When you came in, your hair looked like a dramatic anime character.
Hey, the wind attacked me, okay?
I understand. The wind attacks me too. It's an equal opportunity troublemaker.
At least the sky is clear today, no rain.
Yes, thank goodness. Yesterday it rained so suddenly, I thought the sky dropped a bucket of water on me.
I remember you came to class looking like a sad, wet potato.
Yes, and nobody respected me that day.
So, what do you think the temperature is today?
Maybe around 12 degrees Celsius?
Really? I thought it felt like 10 degrees.
Actually, maybe you're right. My hands became ice cubes when I walked outside.
Same. I forgot my gloves today.
Why? You always forget your gloves.
I know, I put them somewhere and then I lose them in my own room.
Your room is like a black hole.
Yes, many things disappear inside.
But anyway, today is cold enough to wear a jacket, but not cold enough to cry.
That's the perfect description. What did you wear today to deal with the weather?
A thick hoodie and a winter jacket. I like layers.
Like an onion.
Exactly. And what about you?
Just a sweater and a scarf.
That's it? No jacket?
The scarf is powerful.
Sora, a scarf is not armor.
It protects my neck. That's important.
True. A warm neck equals a warm life.
Exactly. But I think tomorrow I'll wear a coat. Today's wind surprised me.
At least the sun is shining today. It feels bright and nice.
Yes, the sunlight makes my room warm. I love it.
I opened my curtains this morning and the sunlight hit my face like a laser.
Did it wake you up?
Yes, I felt like the sun was saying, "Wake up, lazy human."
The sky is pretty today, blue with some soft clouds.
Yes, the kind of sky that makes you want to take a photo and pretend your life is peaceful.
My life is peaceful.
Mine is too, until finals come.
But the wind today is strong. It almost pushed me when I walked across campus.
Same. I tried to drink coffee outside and the wind blew the smell away.
Just the smell?
Okay, fine. It almost spilled the cup too.
The wind also made my scarf hit my face.
Wow, your scarf attacked you?
Yes, it flew up and slapped me.
This weather is aggressive.
This kind of weather makes me think winter is coming soon.
Yes, the air feels different. Winter has a special smell.
A smell?
Yes, it smells like cold air and holiday food, mixed with responsibility.
But seriously, the weather changes so fast lately. One day hot, one day cold.
Yes, last week I wore a t-shirt. Today, I feel like a penguin.
Same. So, does weather affect your mood, Alex?
Oh yes, sunny weather makes me happy and energetic. Rainy weather makes me sleepy. Cold weather makes me complain.
So, you complain a lot in winter.
Yes, I am a professional winter complainer.
For me, cold weather makes me want warm drinks, soft blankets, and a good movie.
That sounds nice. I just want thick socks.
You and your socks.
Socks are important. Cold feet equals sad life.
Cold weather always makes me hungry. I want soup or noodles.
Yes, hot soup is perfect on a cold day. Today I had hot ramen and it felt like a hug for my stomach.
That's a nice description.
What did you eat?
I had kimchi fried rice.
Oh, that sounds so good.
It warmed me up. Spicy food helps in cold weather.
True, spicy food makes the cold run away. Do you find it harder to study when the weather is cold?
Yes, my hands get cold and I don't want to write.
Same. My brain also gets slow.
Your brain is always slow, Alex.
Wow, cold weather and cold friendship today?
I'm kidding. Do you have any funny weather stories?
Oh, last year there was a very windy day. I opened my umbrella and the wind turned it upside down.
Like a broken flower.
Yes, and I had to walk holding a sad, inside-out umbrella.
That happened to me too. Once my umbrella flew out of my hands.
You lost your umbrella?
Yes, it was carried away by the wind like Mary Poppins. The weather can be so dramatic. Do you check the weather forecast every day?
Yes, but I don't trust it.
Why not?
Because sometimes it says sunny and then it rains. Sometimes it says rain and then the sun shines like a spotlight.
That's true. The weather app tries its best.
Its best is not enough.
I check the weather because I want to know what to wear.
Good idea. I check the weather and then ignore it.
That explains your sad, wet potato day.
Yes, I learned nothing.
What's your favorite activity on a cold day?
Staying inside. Warm drink, soft blanket, maybe a good video game.
Nice. I like reading or watching movies, something cozy.
Cold days are made for relaxing.
Yes, but we still have classes.
Unfortunately.
So let's summarize today's weather for our listeners.
It's cold but sunny, windy but not stormy, clear but a bit dramatic.
That's perfect. And also, the wind is rude.
Yes, the wind needs better manners.
But overall, today is a refreshing day.
The kind of day where you walk outside and say, "Oh, I'm awake now."
Exactly. Talking about the weather is great for English beginners.
Yes, you can use simple words like sunny, cloudy, windy, rainy, cold, hot, warm, cool.
And simple sentences like, it's cold today, it's windy outside, the sky is clear, I need a jacket.
Weather is an easy conversation starter in English.
Yes, and everyone can talk about it.
Even shy people. Weather is the universal topic.
Would you say today's weather makes you feel good?
Yes, it wakes me up. I feel more alive.
Same. The cold air feels refreshing.
But I still want hot chocolate.
Me too. Let's get some after we finish recording.
Perfect idea.
Well, that was a fun and simple conversation about today's weather.
Yes, we hope this helped you practice easy English and learn how to describe the weather using natural phrases.
If you enjoyed this episode, please support our channel.
Like, follow, subscribe, and share. It really helps us keep making more friendly English conversations.
And come back next time for another fun and easy talk.
I'm Alex.
I'm Sora.
And this is Ready Talk. Thanks for listening and see you again soon.